This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nancy Taylor. Pool home on over 1 acre of lush landscaping, fruit trees, banana, mango, carambola, dragon fruit, black sapote, deep water, private boat dock and boat ramp. Come enjoy your summer evenings either in the pool or on the dock watching the sunsets. Master bedroom opens to a private screened porch for the sunsets. This home offers a wet bar, wood-burning fireplace, brick barbecue on patio, new AC west/water pump on downstairs unit, water-to-air system, March/April 2020, newer water heater, Artesian well for sprinkler, newer drain field for septic, central vac, fully fenced backyard, outdoor shower, covered pool area. Possible well water on water side of road. Property zoned for agricultural due to previous clamming business. Come put your designer touches on this beautiful house and make it your home. For more information, review the details below or contact Nancy Taylor at 321-308-0334.